Savoring the Flavor, Understanding BBQ Chicken in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into a delicious and popular phrase in the English language, barbecue chicken. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about English expressions, this video will give you a savory understanding of this phrase. Let's get cooking. Barbecue chicken stands for barbecue chicken. It's a dish where chicken is either marinated or seasoned and then cooked on a grill or in an oven. The key is the barbecue sauce, a flavorful sauce often made with ingredients like vinegar, tomato paste, or mustard, and various spices. This dish is popular in many cultures and often associated with outdoor cooking and gatherings. In English-speaking countries, especially in the United States, barbecue chicken is not just food, it's a part of cultural identity. Barbecue parties are common during summer where people gather to cook and eat outdoors. This dish symbolizes friendship, family gatherings, and celebration. Understanding this context helps grasp the cultural essence behind the phrase. Interestingly, barbecue chicken, or barbecue, can also appear in various English idioms or expressions. For instance, as easy as grilling chicken might be used to describe a simple task. While these are not standard expressions, they can pop up in casual, colloquial language. When using barbecue chicken in conversations, it's often related to food or events. For example, we're having barbecue chicken at the picnic. It's a straightforward phrase, but remember, it's more than just food. It's about the experience and atmosphere of enjoying a meal together. And that's a wrap on barbecue chicken in the English language. We hope this video has not only made you hungry for some delicious barbecue but also given you a better understanding of this tasty phrase. Keep practicing your English and exploring new expressions. Until next time, happy learning and bon appetit!